for Central Travis County until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Austin, Round Rock, Cedar Park, Pflugerville, Andersonville, Tanglewood Forest, Austin Bergstrom International Airport, Windmere, Leander, Lakeway, Lago Vista, The Cave, Westlake Hills, Hudson Bend, The Hills, Rollingwood, Barton Creek, Mansfield Dam, Shady Hollow, and Onion Creek. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. What?